Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps login on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps login on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Gmail app. And you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.